Hi guys, still on integration. I'll be looking at this question. The question says, if the y over the x is equal to 2x minus 3 and y is equal to 3 when x is equal to 0, find y in terms of x. So looking at this expression, the given expression is already the derivative of y. So that is the differential value of y. So for me to get y, I'm going to integrate, because you know that integration is the opposite of differentiation. So first of all, to get the y, I have to make the y the subject of the formula, okay? So making the y the subject of the formula, I'll cross multiply. So the y will be equal to 2x minus 3 multiplied by the x. So this will make me to be able to integrate the y and also integrate this expression 2x minus 3 dx. So integrating both sides here, I'll have dy an integral of 2x minus 3 dx. So integrating dy will give me y. So integrating this expression 2x minus 3, remember the integration formula, which is x raised to the power of n plus 1 over m plus 1. So x here is the variable, the given variable. Yn is the exponent of the variable, that is the power of the variable. So here we have x, and its power is 1, because x is 1. So to integrate 2x, which is the first term, so this is going to be 2x 1 plus raised to the power of 1 plus 1, that is 2. Because remember, the exponent of x is 1. So meaning that xn is 1. So replacing n with 1, that will give me 1 plus 1, which is 2. Divided by 1 plus 1, which is 2, minus. So 3 is the constant there. So for me to integrate constant, I'm going to multiply it with the variable x. That will give me 3x. Then I will introduce another constant. This is the integration constant, c. So I will now have y as, remember 2 will cancel out 2. I will have x squared minus 3x plus c. Okay? So, but this is not the final answer anyway. So remember that we are given y as 3 when x is 0 in the question. So what I'm going to do is to substitute y with 3 and also substitute x with 0. So doing that, I'll have 3 is equal to 0 raised to the power of 2 minus 3 times 0 plus c. That's the integration constant. So this is the same thing as 3 is equal to, remember that 0 squared is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So I will now have 0 plus c. So c is the same thing as 3. C is, because this is 0. So c will be equal to 3. So I will now have to recall back this equation, which is y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus c. So in this case, for me to get the value of y in terms of x, I'm going to substitute 3 with c with 3. That will give me y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 3, because you know that this is c and the value of c is 3. So the answer becomes y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 3. This is the expression. That's the final answer.